So today's video is part 2 of a series that we're doing. We've got Dan and Owen from the Meat and Greek podcast. We've got Marco from Delivita. Last week, Marco cooked some peppers, char grilled on the embers of the oven, and we had capers and garlic and parsley. It was really, really nice. So that's an amazing salad. If you want to see that, go back and watch that first. Today, what are you going to be cooking?
Today we're going to be making, hello everyone. Today we're going to be making salmon with cooked in a sauce of honey and soy sauce, and then we're going to put also the wedges, lemon wedges with there, and we're all going to smoke it into the oven with the door. It's delicious.
And you guys, same as last week, will probably be interviewing Marco while he's cooking as well.
Yeah. I mean, I'm probably going to cover it because Owen's not the biggest fan of fish, for anyone who listens, but I absolutely love it. I can't wait to talk to you about this meal and how good it is and what Owen's missing out on, having a childish palate, really.
There we go.
Okay, let's dive into the recipe, and what we're going to start with seasoning our salmon, okay? So, salt, pepper, and we're going to leave it to the side. Now, 2 tablespoons of butter into the oven. Okay, this recipe you can cook with the oven hot as if you was cooking pizza, okay, 400 degrees, okay? So now we're melting the butter. We're doing the sauce. We're going to be cooking our salmon in it. 4 tablespoons of honey, okay? 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir it all in. And into the oven, okay? Just to begin to get this flavor, you know, to combine, yeah? Little bit. And yeah, you see? Bam. Okay, now, boom. Salmon in. Little bit over it, put, you know, this nice juice all over your salmon. Bam, bam, into the oven a little bit to cook, okay? Gorgeous. Show you, You see what is happening? So all of that, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Little bit of some lemon. Okay, so you see now everything is caramelizing. You see? There is a caramelization going on. This one goes back in, basically. And then what we do now, something cool we can do is, with the oven door of the Delivita, we put it on, bam. What's going to happen now, we're going to kill the flame because there's no oxygen inside or little oxygen. I'll begin smoking. And what we're doing now, we're flavoring our fish as well, okay? Out and start our flame again. Boom. Then finish it off. Just this is garnish, eh? No. No taste. I love parsley on fish. Like that. To be on the plate. Ready? So let's go. Okay, guys. No, I know what it tastes like. So you guys dig in.
Yes.
Oh.
Right, so here we go then. Let's give this.
The man that doesn't like fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
From
it's nice and flaky, which is what you want. Yeah, I think because of the soy and honey, it kind of takes that fishiness away from it.
yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, you're
More
not
than
gonna have. Okay.
More than I thought I would.
Great.
Would I have it?
Yeah.
I don't
That's
know.
fine, yeah,
I don't
that's
think
fine.
I'm gonna eat a whole fillet. But as a,
Yeah, I'm taking it personal. Yeah.
yeah, please, Marco, don't take that personally.
Oh yeah, but it's tender.
Gorgeous. I love kind of the stickiness as well that the honey gives it.
Mm.
So fleshy
I bet
as well.
the skin would probably be amazing.
So that was amazing. That was really, really good. So again, a really quick, a really simple recipe. You could do this midweek when you get home from work. Again, in the Delivita in the wood-fired oven. So Marco, thanks very much.
Thank you.
And if you want to see another one, we'll be releasing another recipe next week. So see you later.
Cheers.